we need an intro for the Matt and Lockie reviewer website.
We need like a really
Really?
intense 3D text, like it smashes into the screen, preset, Premiere Pro's grade, shitty intro. So let's explore random article.
Is this still wikiHow?
How to cure cast iron. Okay, no,
What's cast iron?
like pots and pans.
Oh, right.
How to care for small dog. How to survive a heart attack when alone. There's a lot of heart attack things on this.
I think a lot of people are having heart attacks.
What the hell is this website demographic? People who have heart attacks and need to be independent.
Independent women who are having heart attacks.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
How to stop belching.
Yep.
Also known as burping. Ructus? Eructation?
Oh jeez.
Okay, it's just
Okay.
it's really inconvenient, too
Is
frequent,
it?
loud, or bothersome. Are you experiencing any of these symptoms?
What do you mean stop belching? Isn't it? You stop hiccuping.
Stop belching the easy way. Okay, eat and drink slowly, Lucky.
All right.
Gulping extra air when you're eating quickly can make you burp.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Eat in a relaxing environment.
In
Oh
the area
my
that you made for
god!
your guinea pig. That is a horrifying
Oh
face.
shit! Oh my god! Jesus, it's like it's like Jimmy Neutron.
Oh my god, that is exactly what it is, except without like the hair.
Oh, shitty 3D models. Uh, chew well with your mouth. Drink water, tea, nothing like soda. Soda is bad. Is bad. Sip from a glass instead of using straw or drinking from can or bottle.
I don't use. Have you? When's the last time you used a straw?
Huh. I think it was last month. I ate a smoothie
Oh,
at a shopping centre. No, it was a fruit drink.
I
Yes.
don't use straws anymore.
You have straws around the house.
What's a straw?
It is
Is
mad.
that saying no smoking? God
Um,
damn it.
avoid chewing gum, sucking on hard candy, and smoking.
Okay, sounds good.
Um,
Can do.
can do.
Oh my god,
Change your diet to include fewer gas-producing foods. Seriously, baked beans, lentils, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower, lettuce, onions, chocolate, fruits, apples, peach, pears.
does that you can't eat pears, or you should eat pears?
You shouldn't eat pears, apparently. Okay, here's a different strategy. Watch out for heartburn. Really? Avoid eating big portions of food. Avoid eating fatty foods. Overly acidic foods. That's bad. Like onions, tomatoes, coffee, salad dressings, red wine, fruit drinks, spicy foods, peppers,
Oh my
chili,
god, this is a very in-depth guide.
smoking, tight clothing, obesity, lying down, stomach acid. Don't eat stomach acid.
It looks like he's getting more sick through the photos. Look at that one. His eyes on red. Then his eyes get really red and his nose gets red.
Oh, it's because he has a cold.
Oh, it's because he's got a cold. I see. Everything makes sense. Oh my god, that's awful.
Oh, jeez. Gotta check your dentures, Lockie.
Check your dentures.
Steam vegetables instead of boiling. Okay,
What's the difference?
aids digestion because it keeps more
Huh.
enzymes.
Huh. The
Eat
more you know.
eat 3 antacids. Um, don't be
Don't wear loose clothing.
what? What is this? Oh my god! If you
That
suffer from
guy's
chronic
way
burping,
too happy.
consult a physician. Okay, okay, that's good. Have someone else observe how you eat. So, okay, you may be swallowing excessively or gulping air without realizing it. Huh. Lucky. Are you? Jesus Christ.
This has been Mad Lucky's tips on how to be an independent woman.
Oh God. How to impress...
Tune in every day at
8
p.m. Central Eastern
Western.
Time.
Oh, okay. Oh, whoops.
I don't know what time zone we're in. Is that bad?
Probably.
Are you still recording all of this?
No.